Hey, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com, here to demonstrate how to make a Mai Tai. So you want to take your glass. If you have one of those fun tulip glasses, that's probably a good idea to use one of those. This is what we're using here. It's a rum and juice drink. So we're going to use a ½ ounce of each Dark Rum and Light Rum. And we're going to use, you can use Orange Curaçao, but we're going to use triple sec instead. And then this Orgeat Syrup, which is an almond flavor. ½ ounce of each. And pineapple juice. You can, there's so many different recipes for this cocktail. You can add some orange juice, different types of rums, but this is kind of how we'll make it. And I want to mix it up. Now, this Mai Tai was actually in an Elvis Presley movie back in the 60s, I think. And also Richard Nixon, that was like his favorite drink, so that was like the drink of his presidency was the Mai Tai. I'm gonna do a floater rum on the top. That's what I like to do. We'll put a straw in there. And you can garnish it with really anything. I'm gonna do an orange, about a pineapple. You know, the more the merrier with this one. You know, you're in Hawaii on vacation. You wanna feel like you're having a fun, beachy vacation kind of cocktail. So I think that looks pretty good. So there you have it, that's a Mai Tai. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com. We're my most festive bartender shirt I could find. If you're looking for any bartender gear, head over to bartendertees.com. We carry a full line of sweatshirts, hoodies, t-shirts, tank tops, and hats and accessories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.